hot dogs. That's tomorrow night. That's what I'm having for dinner. Did you have a good day today?
Did I? I got to have control day all day today. The day's not over yet. I'm sure Ray is being very tested.
Look, we're having a happy hour. Look at that sailboat I got. It's got old salt pulled in. It's got a nice rig there. Another big day here on
Could you repeat that, please?
I'm being under control today. Beverly.
How's it working?
I woke up this morning at 6:30 and I was told not to tromp around, romp and rock and roll the trailer. And Salty woke me up at 6:30, licking its dick and doing a scratch to China. And so I decided that we better leave the trailer. So we took off, it's still dark, and we went looking for a Starbucks. And I found one on Duval Street. Starbucks, we walked around the wharf, and it wasn't time to come back, so then we had to go kill some more time. We parked and walked down Duval Street and went to a French little restaurant.
And you had a mimosa.
Mimosa and an omelet. And I brought half of it home for Beverly so she could have that.
That was very nice of you. Thank you, Ray.
You're welcome.
Ray changed my flat tire on my bicycle today.
Yeah.
Even though he didn't want to, but since it was control day for me today, he acquiesced.
Yes. And it wasn't as tough as I thought. That bike is a lot easier to change the tire on than the previous bike.
Well, that's good. I looked out the window and saw that you had the chain off in seconds.
Yeah.
So we appreciate that. We went on a bike ride then. Where'd we go, Ray?
We went to the airport. Well, we already got that on video. Here, I'll video you. Turn it on.
No, I'm not done. I have control now.
Changes going on here at the Rock Hall, and one of those exhibits is called Living with the Rock. Now on Saturday, May 14th, they're going to have a benefit concert with Cyndi Lauper and the incredible Wanda Jackson.
Hey, Salty.
Terrific exhibit of over 60
Are you having a good time?
film 2 entire films.
Yeah?
All I can say is
How about you, Pepper? You having a good time? Well, you just relaxing down there? Long day, huh? Long bicycle ride.
I'm Dusty Street Classic 9.
That boatload of people.
It's what?
That boatload of people.
Oh, yeah. I gotta use up the time. Hi, Pepper. Did you get your water? Did you get your water?
That's a clean. Right? Oh, okay. Make sure it's tight. Let's just stand up like that and we'll rip it all off.
It says 0, but it's still filming. Where are we, Beverly?
We're at Hurricanes. We're on Stock Island, which is right next to Key West. We just walked from our campsite, having a beer.
Who are these guys?
Europeans? Yeah.
Take it easy, boys. Good boy. Got a big bowl of water for the doggy.
You're doing a stunt flying.
But this is actually a marina and restaurant. No, you can't go that. No.
That's a big doggy. That kind of dog. That's salty. That's the big doggy.
Come here, you. Come here.
Big dog. Big doggy. You can't, don't attack the big doggies, Salty. It's alright, buddy.